Welcome to this presentation on CKAP5 stabilizes CENPE at kinetochores by regulating microtubule chromosome attachments. This research was conducted by R. Bhagya Lakshmi et al. And published in 29 February 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Imagine a perfectly choreographed dance, but instead of dancers, it's your chromosomes preparing to divide flawlessly. This precise division is absolutely critical for healthy cells. But what happens when the choreography goes wrong? Did you know that errors in how our cells divide can lead to cancer? In fact, faulty chromosome segregation, where chromosomes are unevenly distributed, is a hallmark of many aggressive cancers. Our research focuses on understanding the tiny yet mighty proteins that ensure this dance happens without a hitch. Specifically, we're looking at two key players, CKA, P5 and CENPE, and how they work together to keep our genetic material perfectly aligned during cell division, preventing the kind of cellular chaos that can lead to disease. Imagine a bustling construction site building a crucial bridge. The bridge foundations are like your cell's kinetochores, the attachment points on chromosomes. The support beams are the microtubules, which pull and push chromosomes into place. Now, CENPE is like a vital construction worker, ensuring these beams connect perfectly and stay stable. Our hero, CKP5, is the foreman, making sure CENPE does its job right. In our study, we essentially removed the foreman, CKAP5, from human cells and watched what happened to the worker, CENPE, and the bridge, chromosome alignment. We also used computer simulations to predict these construction failures and analyze data from hundreds of cancer cell lines to see if our findings held true in a broader context. Our investigation uncovered a major breakthrough. CKAP5 is absolutely essential for stabilizing CENPE at the kinetochores. When we removed CKAP5, CENPE, that critical worker, simply vanished from its post on the chromosomes. 1. This absence led to significant attachment errors, meaning chromosomes weren't connecting properly to the cellular machinery, and we observed hyperstable microtubules, essentially support beams that were too rigid, preventing the necessary flexibility for correct alignment. Our computational models strongly supported these experimental findings, showing how these errors would naturally arise. Even more compelling, we found that cancer cells with unstable chromosomes were particularly vulnerable when CKAP5 was disrupted. We also discovered that CKAP5 helps CNPE interact with another important protein, BUB-R1, and regulates a protein called PP1, which, when unchecked, can remove CNPE. So CKAP5 acts as a master regulator, ensuring CNPE stays put and chromosomes align correctly. So, what do these findings mean for us? Chromosome instability is a defining characteristic of many cancers, driving their growth and making them harder to treat. Our research clearly identifies CKA, P5 and CNPE as critical players in preventing these fundamental errors. By understanding how CKA, P5 ensures chromosomes divide correctly, we are unlocking new avenues to potentially stop cancer cells in their tracks. Source: we found that cancer cells that already have many chromosome errors are especially sensitive when CKA, P5 is disrupted. This suggests that targeting CKA, P5 could be a highly effective strategy for these aggressive, chromosomally unstable cancers. It's like finding a specific weakness in the enemy's armor, allowing us to develop more precise and impactful treatments. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, this research has tangible implications for everyday life, particularly in the fight against cancer. First, it will lead to a much deeper understanding of the fundamental processes of cell division, which is the bedrock of all life and disease. Second, and perhaps most excitingly, our findings provide new, specific targets for developing innovative cancer drugs. Imagine therapies that don't just broadly attack cells, but precisely target the Achilles heel of aggressive cancer cells, their reliance on proteins like CKAP5 and CENPE to manage their chaotic chromosome landscape. This could mean more effective treatments with fewer side effects. Finally, this research could pave the way for new diagnostic tools that identify which patients, especially those with chromosomally unstable tumors, would benefit most from these targeted therapies, leading to more personalized and impactful cancer care for everyone.